if you are looking for the best free Shopify alternative, then you are in the right page. So this is Sell the Trend. It is an all-in-one dropshipping softwares, and with just 4 steps, you'll be able to launch your online dropshipping business. So you need only 4 steps that you need to fulfill in order to start making money with dropshipping. So with this AI, you can see people are making thousands of dollars just utilizing this tool. And with just 4 steps, you'll be able to start making money. So with this tool, you'll be able to find the best niche and also products that are trending on that niche. So with AI technology and also data analysis, this software will help you find the best product and the best niche that you can focus on and start selling products on that niche that are trending. So after identifying your niche and picking the product, the second step is now to find suppliers of the product you are promoting. And this software has a list of 1,000 plus suppliers of every niche, so you don't need to worry. And these are verified suppliers from US, Europe, and also internationally, so that when starting a dropshipping business, you should be very selective on your suppliers. Find suppliers who can fulfill your customers' orders. So Sell the Trend will come in your rescue, and it is free. So the third step now is to build a product page. So if you don't have any skill, don't worry. The AI tool will be able to build for you a product page that aligns with your product and also can show a solution to your customer. So it will be able to convert customers who visit your product page, and also it can target ideal customers for your product. So if you want to get started, you can check out the link in description to get access to this software. So, and last but not least, is to build customer satisfaction. How do you satisfy customers? So by making sure that the orders are fulfilled quick and fast. So when someone orders through this software or your store being done on this Sell the Trend, you can be able to fulfill your orders quickly, because once the order is made, it will be sent directly to the supplier. And also, when the order is made, the customers get instant information and tracking information for your orders. Now, let's see some integration. So you can integrate this with Amazon, Shopify, Facebook, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping. And let's check out now how this homepage of where you can build your own store. So when you check out the link in the description and register, it will bring you here. And let's start with Nexus product. So with Nexus product, you'll be able to find products that are trending either on AliExpress, Amazon, CJ Dropshipping, in any niche. So you will choose your niche or category here, and then you can now find or do some research, find trending products, high orders, high profit margin, new and rising products, add winners, so that you'll be able to create a page that aligns with the competition and also what the customers are looking for. So another one is that you will have TikTok's Explorer, which will help you find winning products on TikTok. As you know, TikTok is the best place now for dropshipping, and for here you will be able to search any niche and find winning products in that niche. Also, store intelligence, you can spy on competitors' store and also be able to find products that are trending in their store, and you can be able to make good sale from information that you get from these competitors. So if you want to get started with this, you can check out the link in the description, and it's free. So if you want to get started with dropshipping, stop guesswork and start focusing on research. And this is the best AI tool that can help you on research. So this for AliExpress Explorer, there is Amazon and CJ Dropshipping. So you'll be able to get access to this all information just from one website. So this is the best Amazon Shopify alternative if you want to get started with drop shipping. Like and share this video if you want to start making money with drop shipping.